A Sarasota jury has returned a guilty verdict in the first-degree murder trial of 17-year-old Shawn Tyson. Tyson was on trial, charged with the shooting deaths of two British tourists last April in Newtown. He has been sentenced to serve 2 consecutive life terms without chance of parole. SNN Local News 6 reporter Jim Spiewak was in the courthouse and shows you what happened before the verdict was presented to the court.
James Cooper and James Cazares' last words that they will ever speak on earth. Just leave me alone. Please let me go home. I'm drunk. Just trying to find my way home.
Jurors heard closing arguments as one last reminder of the facts of April 16, 2011.
That Shawn Tyson was responsible for the deaths of James Cooper and James Cazares.
That's what jurors first heard from the prosecution during closing arguments. Shawn Tyson's defense team thinks otherwise.
There are questions and doubt permeating all of the evidence in this case and the testimony of the witnesses.
During the 90 minutes of closing arguments, the prosecution reminded jurors of key witnesses, touch DNA, a recorded 911 jail call, and .22 caliber bullets found in Tyson's room. After differing accounts of what took place, the prosecution asked the jury to believe Shawn Tyson's version of the events.
Tyson goes on to tell Latrice, I shot the first one in the side. He was crying, ouch, and he fell to the ground.
Carolyn Schlemmer did her best to put reasonable doubt in the mind of jurors.
That is what this case is all about. Threats, deals, benefits, moving services, getting out of jail free cards.
And a last-ditch effort to divert the attention away from Tyson.
The weapon is linked to Joshua and Marvin.
The jury deliberated for 2 hours before deciding Tyson was guilty. We'll have more on the trial, the verdict, and the sentencing at 10.